Documentary video editing. This is the third episode of documentary video editing. So in this video, we're gonna learn 3 crazy animations. So let's see the preview of today's video. Bar graph animation, front TV animation, image journey effect. And if you don't know about video editing, don't worry. After watching this video, you're gonna learn documentary style video editing in mobile, not on laptop. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So now let's create this kind of bar graph animation. To create this kind of bar graph animation, simply open Alight Motion and you can get this application easily from App Store or Play Store. You can easily download this application and then install it in your smartphone. When you open it up, then simply click on the plus icon down below here and then select the YouTube size. Then the background has to be black and then click on create project here. When you clicked on create project here, then simply click on this plus icon here and then select this shape. When you selected this shape, then simply click on these 3 dots here and then select fill composition area. When you did it, then simply come to the color and fill option here and then select this one to make it a gradient color. Then click on this option here, When you clicked on this, then simply swipe this line here. You can see this line here and then swipe it down below here like this to make it a gradient color and bring it here at the middle part of the background here. And now you can see we have 2 colors. The first one is black here and the second one is white here. So you have to exchange them. This black color has to be white and this white color has to be black. For that, simply click on these 2 colors. First of all, click on the black color here and make it white, and then click on the white color here and make it black. When you did it, then simply get rid of it and come here and click on the plus icon here and then select this rectangle. When you selected this rectangle, then simply click on the edit shape here and then enlarge the size of it like this. And now click on color and fill option here and give it a black color. Now click on move and transform and bring it here down below. Remove it from the background. Then again come to edit shape and put a keyframe here and come a little bit forward to 1 minute and 7 second. No, 1.7 second. I mean 37 seconds. When you did it, then simply click on the keyframe here and now select this Y value, this one, not the X value. Click on this and then enlarge the size of it like this. When you did it, then simply come at the middle part of the 2 keyframes and click on the graph option here and then select this 4th one. Click on this and now make it like this. Now get rid of this, and if I play this, so you can see it is super beautiful animation. Then simply click again on the plus icon here and then click on the text option here and type the value here. For example, I want to type 70%. Then first of all, click on this icon here to set it at the middle part like this, and now click on this option here to change the font of the text. For example, I want to give it this font, and now I click on this option here, this option, and increase the size of it like this. And now click on this option here to change the color of the text, give it a white color. And now come to move and transform and bring it here to this position and adjust it better on the black bar graph. And now click on the text layer and then come to effect here and search for the drawing progress. And here don't click on the standard settings, click on the draw gradually here, get it? When you did it, then simply get rid of it, and now you can see it is so great. Now click on the text layer here and then duplicate it and bring it here, the copy layer. Now click on the edit text and change the value to the country name. I mean, you can add everything. You can add the country name you like to have, or you want to apply this animation on. For example, I want to write China, then get rid of it and go a little bit here to see the country name, and it doesn't look perfect. For that, simply click on the color and fill option and then select the black color. Now if I play this, so you can see it's good. Now click on this rectangle number 1 here and then duplicate it. When you duplicated this, then click on then hold this copy rectangle, then bring it down below from the main layer. When you did it, then simply come at this point where the second keyframe is ended up, and then click on this copy layer and give it a color that looks perfect on your animation, and then click on the edit shape here and put a keyframe here and come a little bit forward to this position and put another keyframe here. And now click on the Y value, not on the X value. Click on this Y value, this value. And now increase the size of it like this. And at the middle part of the 2 keyframes, click on the graph and then select this one and make it like this. Now if I play this, so you can see it is like this. Now again click on the text value here and then duplicate it. So you can see we have 70 copy number 2. Now bring it here where the yellow paragraph is appearing to this position, and then click on the 70% and change the value of it. For example, that was 70% and this has to be 30%. Then move it for at the top, so come a little bit forward to see this animation. But first of all, you have to adjust all the layers. For that, simply come here and enlarge the size of it to 7.20 seconds, and then select all the layers except this one, and then click on this option here to adjust all the layers like this. And now you can easily adjust everything. and come a little bit forward to see the value here and bring it here, put it here. And now if I play this, so you can see it is adjusted. Then again click on the country name and then duplicate it and bring it here. Bring it here and change the country name. For example, I want to type America. Then come a little bit forward. When the text is appeared, then you can easily adjust it like this. And now adjust this layer according to these 6 layers. For that, simply press this layer and click on this option here. And if you don't know how to use Light Motion, then tell it to me in the comments below. I'll make a full course about how to use Light Motion perfectly. For that, you can simply tell everything to me in the comments below. So now finally our animation is ready. If I play this, so you can see the final result. It's perfect, and you can use this animation for educational videos, documentary videos, or whatever. I mean, you can apply this animation on everything. So then simply click on this icon here to export it. Click on this and then simply export it. To make this kind of front TV animation, simply open InShot, then click on the video here, and now click on new, and then come to the video section here and add the video you want to apply this animation on. For example, I want to add this video, and now I want to mute the sound of it. And now when you added the video, then again click on the PIP and come to the photo section and add this front TV image. Then adjust the size of it, and you can easily get this image from my Telegram channel. I will give it a link in the description, and you can easily copy that link and then paste it in the Telegram, so you'll easily get my Telegram channel. And then you can easily go there and download all the materials I've used in these videos. When you did it, then simply come here to the cutout option here and then click on chroma and select the green color here and increase the size of the strength to 75%. Then click on OK, and now come to the main layer of the video and decrease the size of it and adjust it better on the front TV like this. Now if I play this, so you can see the final result. It looks so perfect. Then simply export it. To make this kind of image shiny effect, first of all you need to design the image. For that, simply come to Pixellab application and open it up. And when you open it up, and then simply click on cancel and then delete this text at the middle part, and then come to the fourth option here and then select the color here and then click on the black color here. Now come here and click on these 3 dots here and then select the YouTube thumbnail size. When you did it, then simply click on this plus icon here and then go to your gallery. When you come here, then simply add the image. For example, I want to add this image, and now click on the third option here and then click on shape and make a shape like this. Now increase the value of the radius to 7 to 8%. Then give it a black, then give it a color, like I want to give it a black color, and now make it a little bit transparent. And now click on this, and then click on this option here, and then press these 8 dots here and bring it down below from the main image here. Then click on the image here and increase the size of it. First of all, I have to change the color of the background to see it perfectly. For example, I want to give it a white color, and now you can easily adjust this image from the position, like here, this, and then come to shadow and decrease the blur radius to 5, and then give it a 3 offset. X has to be 3 and the offset Y has to be 1%. When you did it, then simply click on the shape layer here and come to the shadow, enable the shadow, and then decrease it to 3%, and then the offset X has to be 5 and the offset Y has to be 3. Then click on OK. Now our image is ready. So simply click on the fourth option here and then click on transparent, and then save it in your gallery. You can design every kind of image here, and then simply come to InShot application and open it up. You can easily download this from the Play Store, and then select a background you want to apply this animation on, and then pick up that image we created in Pixellab, and then click on this option here, and now decrease the size of it, and then simply click on the keyframe here and add a keyframe at the beginning of this layer, and come a little bit forward and put another keyframe here, and then come to the first one and bring it down below here like this. And at the middle part of the 2 keyframes, select this graph. When you selected this graph, then simply copy the layer of the image, and now come to the filter option here and then click on the adjust, then select the curve and push all these points to the top, and then click on OK, and here on the second keyframe here, and then click on the mask and then select the second one, and then decrease it by your fingers and adjust it super widely. And now you can see here is another option, feather. Then push it down below here like this, and now adjust it like this and bring it to this corner like this, and then click on OK and come a little bit forward, and again click on the mask and bring it to this corner. Then again click on the OK, and then come to the middle part of the 2 keyframes, and from the graph section select this third one, graph. Now here is a mistake. You can see here is a white line. For that, simply come to the second keyframe here and then come to split animation and split it, and then delete the behind part of it. So finally our animation is ready. If I play this so you can see how perfect it looks. It is super powerful animation. You can use this on any photo you want to apply this animation. So this was our video. I hope you might have learned in such a big amount of things. So if you want more parts about documentary video editing in English, then simply tell it to me in the comments below and I will make much more videos about documentary video editing. And also, if you don't know how to use a light motion from the beginning to advanced level, tell that to me also in the comments below. If I found a lot of the comments, and then I will make another video about light motion and I will make a full course about that. So simply now export it.